Hey guys, Andrew with RCBS. Today, we're walking through how to set up and use RCBS dies to reload for popular pistol cartridges.
Here's Fred entering his office reloading area with a line of RCBS die. Modern equipment like this makes it possible for RCBS to turn out precision-eared equipment.
Working with this Carbide taper crimp die set for 9mm Luger, these dies make hand loading rounds for your handguns simple and consistent. This 3-die set includes a Carbide Sizing Die, an expander die, and a taper crimp bullet seating die. Each one performs a critical step in the reloading process. Start with the Carbide Sizing Die. Install it in your press, in our case, the Pro Chucker 7. Thread your die in until it just touches the top of the shell holder at the top of the ram stroke. Then, secure the die down via the lock ring. Do not cam over, as this can impact the carbide insert in the die. With carbide dies, you don't need to lube straight walk pistol cases. Just resize and decap in one motion. If your sizer die isn't correctly removing the spent primer from your case, you can adjust the expander decap assembly by loosening the small lock nut at the top of the die, then adjusting the assembly so that the decap pin is below the end of the die. Once correct, tighten the lock ring. Next, there's the expander die. Unlike bottleneck cases, cartridges with a straight wall case like 9mm require a separate die for expanding the case mouth to receive a bullet. Thread the expander die into the press until the die is just above the shell holder. Lock the die ring. Loosen the expander plug lock ring and unscrew the plug so only 2 or 3 threads are engaged. Next, insert a sized case into the shell holder. Lower the handle until you feel the case engage the expander plug. Screw the plug down into the case until you feel slightly greater resistance. This resistance is the taper portion of the expander contacting the case mouth. Raise your handle a little and turn the expander plug down half of a turn. Finally, run the case back into the expander and inspect the amount of flare. You want to expand and flare or bell the case mount just enough to accept the bullet. Adjust the expander for more or less flare by loosening the lock nut on the top of the die and turning the expander up or down. Finally, the bullet seating die. This die set uses a taper crimp style seater die. Bullets for many semi-auto firearms are taper crimped because the cartridge headspace is on the mouth of the case. This also helps to ensure proper feeding and functioning in your gun. First, we'll adjust the die to get our bullet seating depth right. Put your case in the shell holder and run it to the top of the press stroke. Screw the seating die into your press until you feel a little resistance. Back the die up and away from the case mouth 1 full turn and temporarily set the die lock ring. Lower the case. Insert your bullet. Run the case up into the die and partially seat your bullet. Adjust the bullet seat plug in small increments until you achieve the seating depth of the bullet for your cartridge. Check for proper seating depth. Now that we've got the right bullet seating depth, we're going to adjust the crimp on our round by adjusting the seater die's body. First, back off the seating plug. Raise the case fully into the die. Screw the die body down until you feel resistance. This is the die's internal crimp shoulder touching your case mouth. We'll measure our taper crimp by measuring the loaded round near the base of where the bullet is seated in the case neck. The case mouth should be about 1 to 2 thousandths smaller in diameter. Adjust the die body down 1/8 of a turn at a time until you get this measurement. Once done, set the die lock ring and run the completed round into the die. Screw the seater plug down until it touches your bullet and tighten your seater plug lock ring. Now, you're seating and crimping in one operation. Our die set is all set up and we're ready to load. If you have any questions, drop them below or contact RCBS anytime. You can check out a full line of dies at rcbs.com and be sure to subscribe to our channel.